This is going to be an interesting one, and another Johnstown-centric RToD revolutions. Now, you're probably wondering, hey, Mike, what's with all the Johnstown stuff? Well, one, it's my hometown, and two, linked with that in Johnstown is George's Song Shop. It's America's oldest record store. I talked about it a little bit in some other videos. If you're ever in Western Pennsylvania driving through Johnstown on 22 or 219 and you like records, it is worth a stop. I think he has over like 1,045s on there. That's not even an exaggeration. There are floors and floors of 45s. You can only go on the first floor. But if it was pressed on a record, even if it's an LP, George has it. It's just a fact, right? But George has a large collection of local pressings from, recording studios in Johnstown that would play and would make records, and local bands. And that's where this comes in. This is from T-Bird Records, which is on 115, or was on 115 Market Street in Johnstown, Pennsylvania. Phone number, that's probably, it's an 814, but it's probably defunct by now. And this is by a band called the Instigations. It was a local band doing the Johnstown circuit. I think they went over to Altoona, Latrobe, and areas too. But this song is S.Y.S.L.J.F.M. It's from other artists. It's a cover. I don't believe they actually. It's by Joe Tex from 1966. So S.Y.S.J.F.M. Save Your Sweet Love Just for Me. It's a really good song. It's a really good song if you've never heard of it. But what makes this even better for me, and I think you relate to this too. It was pressed in Johnstown. It was by T-Bird Records. I think T-Bird, Thunderbird, I think it was a bar, like a nightclub in Johnstown at one time, and that probably has some relation to this. It's a 2-minute, 45-second song. We're going to play the whole thing. It's probably going to get a content match. I don't have much commentary for the song itself, other than it's just a really catchy song. And like I said, it is a cover from Joe Tex from 1966. So let's spin it. Comes in strong. Starts off really strong. It's almost like a Blues Brothers. and then it ends. I love that ending. It is just so quick. So Joe Tex came out with that song in 1966. This pressing is from 1968. So, you can imagine, popular song, a local cover band picks it up, becomes popular in the circuit, and they get it pressed. Really a different time, right? Because, there's cover bands today, right? But a cover band today, they'll do a local circuit or whatever. They might get a song on Spotify or something. But to get a song, even if it's a cover, but get your band pressed on a record, that was something else, right? That must have been a really good feeling. And then just imagine being able to go out, play those songs, and sell these at different nightclubs and venues that you were at. So, again, it's not an original song. Realistically, nobody outside of Johnstown, and probably even people my parents' age, would remember the Instigations. I don't remember them as a band. I think I know some of the people that played in it that have done other bands throughout the years that I did definitely see, but I don't think I've ever seen the Instigations still playing. Doesn't matter. But this is the perfect example of kind of what this series is, records that are meaningful or interesting or rare. Yeah, I'm sure you can get this song on other pressings by other artists, but where are you going to find a T-Birds record pressed in Johnstown, Pennsylvania? You're probably not, unless you go to George's Song Shop in Johnstown. So that's going to wrap this episode of RToD Revolutions. If you like what we're doing here, and especially if you like RToD Revolution series, let me know in the link below. As always, like, subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you next time.